Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Happy Sunday. Thanks for tuning in because today's very special. Today is my 300th video. I've got approximately, I think like 305 videos, but this is actual number 300 for pouring paint. So I'm super excited about it because it's going on a big canvas. I'm using a different base coat color, so it's going to be a little non-traditional, but I'm loving the technique. It's drying really well, so you'll be able to see the dry results at the end of the video. So thank you everyone for your support over the last 3 years of my channel and my social media accounts. I would not be able to do this without you guys. So now that summer's starting to wind down, I'll get back to posting on a regular basis. Been super busy with the summer. Plus, I'm getting ready for my Christmas show that always happens in November and December. So, but I've just been working a lot. So that's why I haven't been posting like my normal weekly Wednesdays and Sundays. So hopefully this will be my first Sunday back and I'll be back on that rotation now that school's starting. So thank you everyone so much. Let's get down on the canvas to get started. I'll be right back. All right, everyone. So what I'm doing today is going big. I am, again, going to do a grenade pour, zigzagging it across, stretching it out on this large canvas, 30 by 40, and hopefully keeping some negative space. I painted my sides and edges, and I'll tell you that color, which was titanium white, mixed with Azo Orange. Created this little light peach color. I'm using Creative Inspirations Payne's Gray, some Amsterdam Sky Blue Light, some Amsterdam Phthalo Blue, some Amsterdam Ultramarine Violet, and Azo Orange. And my pouring color, it's going to go in the bottom of the cup, is titanium white. All right. What I'll do is get the cup filled first and then we'll get the paint down. All right. So what I've done is I put a pin in a 16-ounce cup. So I'm going to have white in the bottom and I'm going to kind of dirty pour this, but I'm going to also layer. So let's see here. What I want to do is I want to use my Payne's Gray dirty poured in just a little bit. And then I'm going to layer the other colors. I think what I'll do is I'll start with my orange. My purple. My blue. And the light blue. Payne's, light blue, Phthalo, ultramarine, put some orange on the top. What I'm going to do is dump out a lot of my base coat. My cup is super full, so I'm going to put a tile here, right over the top. I'm going to flip it over and slide it off. Just like that. Now I'm going to pull the pin on the cup and let it release and go this way. And you're just going to stretch to diagonal to diagonal. I'm going to try to possibly keep negative space. So let's hold this pin. All right. We're going to give it a torch. gonna do my best to keep you guys in here. Let's see what happens. Just kind of bring some of this color through that. That helped break up some of that block of color. Just a little bit. Just gonna stretch things out. Now I need to rotate it back around. Go down. Stretch it off this side. Bring this down and take it off the corner. All right, here we are with the wet result. All right, we'll see this when it's dry. I'll be back. All right, guys, here we are with the dried result. So I was kind of on the fence with the negative space color, but I'm actually enjoying it. I thought this would dry, the negative space color would be a little bit lighter in color, but it definitely dried darker, so I just didn't add enough white, but I'm okay with it. I like the color combination. I'll bring you guys in. All right, everyone, that is it. So, oh, it's a big one. That's the dried result. It dried fantastic. As I said earlier, I really kind of shocked with how dark this went. Oh man, got some dirt on here. I was kind of really shocked on how dark this went. I didn't think that the color was going to be as dark because I just mixed the two colors, adding white in there to lighten them up. But that's okay. It's not a big of a deal. I do like it. The color combination really plays well together. So I'm really happy with it. I like doing this on a large canvas. Definitely being hung in the vertical is going to be the best probably direction for orientation for this. So anyways, I'll put it up on the website for sale. If you're interested, you can purchase it there. All right, everyone. Have a great day. It's great to see everyone again. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.